Okay, this cool tool and tip is going to cover logging into Chrome. Now, when you open up the Chrome browser, sometimes it'll show up with a login, sometimes it'll show up to whatever your startup page, the GUHSD staff page, or whatever you happen to have it set to. But it doesn't matter where you start off, we are going to log in using this feature over in the right hand corner. It says customize and control Google Chrome. It is 3 lines. We click on that and we go into sign into Chrome. So here I'm going to type in my GUHSD login, hit sign in. Oops, didn't like that password. This is the same login for my email. And what I've done here now by logging in is I can now sync with my Chrome data from my GUHSD login no matter what computer it happens to be on. So it says it's managed by GUHSD and it's signing in with that. And then I'm going to go yes, link my data. I could do this with a Gmail account as well. And now it is bringing over my data from my GUHSD account. And momentarily we're going to see my bookmarks and my other apps show up here. In the meantime, while that's coming, when you are, there it comes. So there's my Bookmarks bar, which is the same on every computer that I'm logged into my GUHSD account. Keeps going. Okay, there are my apps that I have installed as well, and I'll talk about apps in just a moment. Now, one important thing over here is we can go into the settings. Again, going to the 3 bars, go into the settings. And if this is not your computer, when you are done, you want to go delete this user. Because otherwise, the next person on here will have access to your information, which you don't necessarily want to do. But if you're at a workshop all day, or you want to, just get on that computer, you can do that. You can also add new users. So let's say you want to add, a Gmail account. You can have multiple accounts on here. And basically the way this works is it essentially works as 2 browsers. So I have my initial browser. Just hit OK to that. Over there, that's a soccer ball. That is my GUHSD account. And then over here, this blank covered, this non-identity figure over there is my Gmail account. You can see it's logged in right there. Same thing's going to happen in the next couple seconds. Is all my apps and all my bookmarks are going to arrive there. If we were to go over to the settings now that we had that, we access the settings here. Settings. You'll now see that both of those accounts are there, and I could add another user if I wanted to, or I could delete them. If we were to go back over to that, I bet, yep, there are all my bookmarks. Here are some apps that I have installed. We'll talk about apps another week, but if you just want a quick preview, if you go to the Chrome store, do a search for Chrome store, we go there. Here are a whole bunch of apps and extensions to expand the functionality of your Chrome browser, whether it is editing video online, a graphing calculator, editing pictures online, connecting it to Twitter, lots of different things. We have a GUHSD set of apps there, but there are a ton of others that you can get access to, and your students can get access to as well. And we will cover those in more detail in a future cool tool and tip. Thanks a lot.